It's on? Okay. Hi everybody. This is the case. I told you when I was painting that there was a plug in my room, an electrical socket like this one, that isn't working. Turned out it was working today, it is working, so when I tested it today. But there is a little electrical cord prong stuck inside of it. So I was wondering how we get rid of that. And we looked on YouTube and there doesn't seem to be any videos on that. And when we went and checked on the ask.com and all these things, these people made it sound like so much work you might as well replace the whole plug. Now I recall something I heard about a long time ago about taking a potato half and sticking it in the electrical socket to remove it. So I'm going to try that. Here's a potato. It's a regular baking potato, right? Nice Idaho potato. Idaho potato. I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, I got my potato butt, so we can follow me here.
Slow down.
Well, I'm not going to go too far, but okay. Now, as a precaution, I think they tell you to use potatoes because they don't conduct electricity, but as a precaution, I am going to shut off power to that light. I have a lamp on the plug to show me, just to make sure, because I don't want to fry myself or my potato. Well, I wouldn't mind frying the potato, I don't want to fry me. Okay, so small room 8. Okay, you're going to have to tell me, how do you do this? 8. Where's 8? Here?
Okay, yeah. So that's Mark's room, the front room, so small room, off.
Okay. Yep, and the lamp is off. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that turned off the overhead lights too. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna turn off everything, small room. Yeah. Okay, that's 6. Okay, good. All right.
The reason why we're doing this, folks, is that somebody piggybacked our electricity, and we're not totally sure what turns off what, even with the search box. So here's the, okay, I'm going to remove that now. Here's the electrical cord, and this one has the thing. So I'm going to try to see if this works. Nope. Well, maybe I'll just take some pliers. Okay, the potato doesn't work. But maybe since the electrical, I'll just take some pliers. It does seem to be loose. So. Okay. And then there's the search for the pliers. Okay. We got ourselves some pliers. So, for your information notes, I didn't find the potato very useful. Okay? And if I die, I leave all my dolls, Star Wars collection, and $93 in my bank account to Gail.
Thank you.
Okay.
Don't die.
Okay, so we're going to take some pliers, and man, this is a long thing, whatever it is. I don't know what's in there. What did you plug in there? Did I get it out? Ah, I got it out.
All right.
Okay, so folks,
Okay.
nothing beats a good pair of pliers.
Wow, it looks sticky. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell. Let's see if the plug still works. Oh, well, I'm going to have to turn on the electric to do that again. But, okay. Let's see if it still works. Did anything come back on? Yes, it still works. And let there be light. So, that's my review on how to get something out of your plug. Good.
Yay! Whoa!